So
Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
We will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance. So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would have to look into the records. May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small committee.
It's not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report.